this is Ginger with your marketing liaison. From TV to branding and everything in between, we've got you covered. So first, let's start with your goals. So we want to establish what your goals are and what you want to accomplish with Facebook. Some of your goals could be getting more likes, getting more clicks, driving traffic to your website, getting people to call. So you want to really be specific about what it is when you're doing Facebook advertising that you want the consumer or the person viewing your page to do. So then, after you've established your goals, we want to create content based around those goals and have that roll out on a consistent basis. One of the most important things that I have found that helps me in my business is having a content calendar. So every week we have a quote, we have a shared piece of marketing material that would help you with your business. We post about events that we're attending. So make sure that you get your calendar in place before you get started. So then the next step is remember that social media is a two-way street. It is interactive. So you want to be engaging with your people and you want to be commenting on their comments. So make sure if somebody says, "Oh, that's great, love seeing you at that event," you say thank you. Or you respond and say, "Look forward to seeing you soon." Make sure you're engaging with your customers. It is a two-way street. And also, the other important thing is to make sure that you are scheduling your posts around high traffic times that people would be able to look at your information. So lunchtime, dinner time, holidays, weekends, times when people have to spend on their social media. So just think about when you're scrolling through social media, and that's probably the best time to do it. And then the next level would be Facebook advertising, and we'll talk about that in another video. But if you need help with your Facebook advertising or your Facebook posting or just Facebook management or setup, give us a call. We've got you covered.